Hello teachers and friends, today I will to explain about the Pascal Principle. So in the Pascal Principle it says that the pressure is transferred equally from two pressures. So this is Pascal ball. So when we fill it with water, when we push it, the pressure at each point are the same according to the Pascal Principle. Okay. Next is a comparison with two strings. So this is a big string and this is a small one. So it's like a big piston and a small piston. Okay. So this is this have the small area. Small area on the bottom of the piston, and this is the big one. So the force that is produced here is smaller than this one because but the pressure are the same. So the pressure is transferred equally in the tube. Okay, it differs from this one because both of them are the same size. So the pressure, the force is equal because the area is same. So you can see both are hard to push. It differs from the one before, that the small one is easier to push than the big one. Okay. Next is this brake. Okay, so if you can see, when we push this, this is the small piston and this is a big piston. So this is small force that we put over here will produce a big force at the big piston. So it helps us to hold the brake, and the pressure is transferred in the tube. Okay, this is another brake that is called drum brake. So when we push it, it expands. When we push it, it expands. So when we put a small force at the string, a big force will occur at the big piston at the disc. Okay. And here is the excavator. This is an innovation. So this explains how Pascal Principle works. So if we push this this lever, it will turn, and if we push this lever, it will the front will move back and forth. So this shows the pressure is transferred equally in the tube. Okay. This is an hydraulic jet. If we push it up, if we push it, the valve is open. Okay, if we push it, if we put a small force, a bigger force will be produced over here on the big piston, and there is a releasing valve to make the valve drop down. So you see, okay, it goes down. For a better clearer picture, we have this model. So when we push, when we pull it up, pull the lever up, the oil from the tank will fill in the small piston. When we push it down, it will push the oil in the big piston. And there's a valve inside this that avoids the oil from coming down. So when we do it continuously, there's a large force that occurs, and it will compress this spring. You can see that with a small force over here, we can transfer a big force on the big piston, and to release it, we have a releasing valve at the back, and you see, and the oil will run down back into the tank. That's all from me. Thank you.